Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And it looks like the next 7 days getting off to a bit of a stormy start tomorrow as we watch a cold front and a strong upper level disturbance that's associated with it both approach the area. The front will make its way through our region during the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow evening. And again, this does have a great deal of upper level support. As we look at the upper level pattern, you can see this disturbance here. This is forecast to slide its way towards the east and southeast, and it will be close enough to us to allow for the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center indicates that we have a slight risk at this point. Quite possible we could see some orange on this map before it's all said and done, as it does appear as if the storms actually could be strongest over the south and eastern sections of the area here heading into late tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening. That would be Wednesday evening. So let's take a look at, first of all, the timing of things with Robin's Toyota FUTURECAST, and then we'll talk about the various threats that we could be looking at. As you can see, the model does show a mostly cloudy sky across the area tonight. A scattered shower will be possible. By the time we get to 7 a.m., the front will be well to our north and west over the northeastern sections of Oklahoma. It will begin to move into our area late tomorrow morning. By noon, we will see the thunderstorms associated with the front extending from DeQueen down to Mount Pleasant, just starting to get going. So in this part of the ArkLaTex, that's more than likely where the severe weather risk is going to be lowest. As we go through the afternoon, you can see the increase in the intensity of the thunderstorms here over especially south central Arkansas from Magnolia to Shreveport down to about Carthage. We will see the continuation of that strengthening process heading into the evening as the storms shift a little bit to the south of Shreveport by 5 p.m. They will continue to slide their way to the south and east, and by the time we get to 9 o'clock, we'll see the final line of storms down towards Natchitoches, and it should move out of the ArkLaTex here very late tomorrow evening. All severe weather threats will be on the table, including the possibility for some damaging winds of up to 70 miles per hour, as well as some large hail. We could be looking at times at quarter to golf ball sized hail. Definitely will be a possibility. Here's where FUTURECAST showing the chances will be highest, basically from noon to 4 p.m. and then from 4 p.m. into the evening. You can see a little bit more black here further to the south. That's where the storms will be stronger. So again, as far as the chance for maybe some bigger hail over the eastern half of the areas, well, that is where that will take place. Again, that threat should end late tomorrow evening. Now, as far as tornadoes, they will be possible. Here's where FUTURECAST is indicating we could see some tornadic risk as we head into the afternoon. Not really a whole lot for the first half of the afternoon. You can see the uptick in the colors here, and it does appear as if perhaps a bit more rotation potential to the east of the ArkLaTex, but we'll have to keep an eye on, again, the southeastern quarter of the area, probably from Shreveport and points south and east during the afternoon. You can see how that all plays out as we head into the evening hours. So again, tornadoes definitely will be something that's on the table, but it looks like wind and hail will be the most widespread impacts that we could be looking at across the region. As far as rain, flooding, not too much of a concern. As FUTURECAST showing, most locations will probably see less than an inch of rain. You can see these areas of green and even yellow. That's where the model does show we could see some totals of 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, which probably wouldn't be enough to cause any widespread flooding concerns at this point. Now, longer range, we will see yet another disturbance approach our area for Friday. Here's disturbance number 1, and you can see the course that it's going to take. Here comes disturbance number 2 behind it. It's going to take a little bit more of a more northerly course, but some models indicating we could have more fuel, if you will, as far as the potential for thunderstorms. So severe weather will be on the table here for Friday as well, and then we'll see a third disturbance move across the region next Monday. And again, those last two will have the chance of producing a few thunderstorms. I would say that severe weather is on the table for Friday. The way things look right now, we'll know more about the timing as we get closer to Friday, and then we'll cool off as we head into the rest of next week. So here's how it all breaks out in your 7-day forecast. We are looking at thunderstorms likely, some likely severe, especially over the southeast half of the area for your Wednesday and Wednesday evening. We take a break from the rain Thursday with some sunshine. Should be a nice day. You can see 84 degrees for the high Thursday. Thunderstorms return Friday, and a few could be strong to severe once again, with that more than likely being the case late Friday and Friday evening. The weekend looking pretty nice with some sunshine, highs in the upper 70s to low 80s, and then we'll see another chance for some thunderstorms as we look ahead to next Monday. And once that final disturbance moves through, that's when temperatures will finally cool into the 70s for highs, and eventually we could see some 40s for lows by the end of next week.